Greetings, travel buddies, and welcome to another episode of Rome Road Trip, Countryside and Beyond. Our number one choice for Rome Road Trip, Countryside and Beyond will be Rome Seaport, Ostia Antica. Just a short 30-minute drive from Rome, and you will get a first-hand feel of how it was to live in ancient times. Ostia was heavily plundered by the pirates, but in the early 1900s was faithfully restored by the municipality under the dictatorship of Julius Caesar. The Caesar structured a better supply system of a better grain distribution to Rome by using the new access of Ostia Harbor. In Ostia, you will find many Roman baths, shops, and even active Roman theaters. You will have a feast of sight and sounds as buildings are decorated with frescoes and most of the floorings are decorated with mosaics, with well-manicured garden surrounds the area throughout. Are you new to this channel? We want to take this time to greet you welcome. And if you have visited our channel before, we'd like to say welcome back. Please do us a big favor by hitting that subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up and hit that bell so you won't miss any of our new episodes. Now let's get back to the info guides. Our top number 2 pick for Rome Road Trip Countryside and Beyond will be Braziano. Just 19 miles from Rome, it will take precisely 1 hour drive from Rome to reach this town. Alternatively, one can also take tram line FR3 from Rome Station, Ostiense, or Valle Aurelia. While there, take a stroll down Lago Braziano. Lago Braziano is a volcanic lake and the 8th largest lake in Italy. This lake is packed with locals and tourists alike every year. When in Braziano, visiting Braziano Military Castle, Castello Orsini is a must. This beautiful and privately owned castle is open to the public and was the wedding place of Tom Cruise and Katie Holmes. One can see the view of Lake Lago Braziano from the top floor of this majestic castle. Our top number 3 pick for Rome Road Trip Countryside and Beyond will be Tivoli. Just a short 45-minute drive from Rome will take you to Tivoli. Located 19 miles from Rome, Tivoli is a hiker's paradise. Simply go to Gregoriana Park Villa, as Gregoriana has many paths that lead to caves such as Neptune and Siren's Cave. You will also find many gorges that lead to the waterfall. Tivoli has always been the countryside retreat for the wealthy. While in Tivoli, go and explore as well the ruins of the Hadrian Palace and the Palace Gardens. Our topic number 4 for Rome Road Trip and Beyond will be Tuscanya. Tuscanya, a town in Lazio, is an ancient walled city that probably has one of the most beautiful valleys in all Italy. When in Tuscanya, go and visit one of the churches in San Pietro, Pisa, built in the 1348. You will find plenty of delicious foods in the local taverns, far from the throngs of tourists. Our next top 5 pick for Rome Road Trip Countryside and Beyond is the Calcutta town. Located just 30 miles from Rome, Calcutta is an artistic place, home to Italy's sculptors, musicians, and fashion designers. Make sure to visit the Church of Santissimo Nome. Built in the 1400s, the church has been very much restored since mid-1700. Calcutta is a popular site for pilgrimage. Before leaving, browse through Calcutta's swanky galleries and try on one of the many scrumptious bakeries. We are so glad that you have enjoyed our videos. Please leave a comment down on the comment section below and tell us your travel experience while visiting Italy. and check out one of these videos about Venice and Amalfi. Make sure you also check our website, IScenicGeek.com. Until next time, bye!